There's a simple way to make over $5,000 a month from home using just Canva AI and Amazon KDP. And no, you don't need to be a designer, writer, or invest a single dollar upfront. Right now, one of the hottest niches on Amazon is kids' activity books, especially dot-to-dot books. These are fast to create, cost nothing to produce, and similar titles are earning thousands monthly. So, how are regular people doing this? And how can you go from zero to publishing your first profitable book today? In this video, I'll walk you through everything, step by step, from generating original pages with Canva's AI image tool to designing a kid-friendly cover and uploading your book to Amazon KDP. No design skills, no publishing experience needed. Ready to create your first passive income book? Subscribe to the Audiobook Studio for more content like this. Why focus on dot-to-dot books for kids? Because this niche is exploding right now, and it's incredibly easy to break into. A quick search on Amazon shows dozens of dot-to-dot books ranked in the top 10,000 overall, some even in the top 1,000. That means they're selling hundreds or even thousands of copies each month. And since these are low-content books, once you've made them, they continue earning passively with no extra effort. Parents love them because they're fun, screen-free, and educational. They help kids improve number recognition, fine motor skills, and focus. All top priorities for parents. That's why they buy again and again. But here's the kicker. Most of the bestsellers don't even have unique artwork. They reuse generic clip art or stock images and still pull in real money. With Canva AI, you can create custom-looking images instantly, which sets your books apart with zero extra cost. And because these books require almost no writing or complex formatting, they're one of the easiest, fastest ways to start publishing, even for total beginners. Now that you know why this niche is so powerful, let's create your first dot-to-dot page using Canva AI. Let's jump into Canva and create your first dot-to-dot page. First, head to canva.com and sign in or create a free account. Click Create a Design and choose 8.5 by 11 inches. This is the standard trim size for KDP activity books. Now, choose a theme. Let's go with farm animals for this example. On the left panel, click Magic Media, select Graphics, then under Styles. Pick something like monoline, sketchline art, or doodle. These work great for simple, clean dot-to-dot images. Next, type a prompt like Happy Cow in a Field and hit Generate. Browse the results and click on one you like. Resize it and position it within your page margins. Then, duplicate the image. Set the opacity of the back layer to 25% and lock it in place. Now select the top image and click Edit, then Magic Eraser. Use the brush tool to carefully erase all the lines you want to convert into dots. Zoom in and take your time. Precision here makes the final page look polished. Clean up any rough edges before moving on. Once the lines are erased, go to Elements. Choose a circle, shrink it to match the line width, and begin placing it along the erased path. Use Option plus Drag, or Alt plus Drag, to copy and maintain even spacing. Then, go to Text, choose a simple font like Open Sans, set the size to 8 or 9, and start numbering the dots. 1, 2, 3. Make sure each number aligns with a dot and is easy to read. Bold the font if needed for extra clarity. To make your page more fun, add a title at the top, something like Cow in a child-friendly font. Center it using Canva's alignment tools for a clean look. Repeat this process to create as many pages as you need, usually 25 to 30 for a full book. Keep the theme consistent and make sure each page feels unique. When you're done, go to Share. Click Download. Select PDF Print and save your file. Boom. You've just created a fully customized dot-to-dot activity book interior using only free Canva AI tools. Now it's time to create a standout cover that makes your book sell. Now let's create a professional, high-converting cover for your dot-to-dot book using Canva. Your cover is the first thing people see on Amazon, and it can make or break your sales. So we want to get this right. First, go to kdp.amazon.com/cover calculator. Select your book specs. Paperback, black and white interior, white paper, 8.5 by 11 trim size, and however many pages your book has. Click Calculate Dimensions, then download the cover template. Next, head to Canva. Click Create a Design, select Custom Size, and enter the exact width and height from your KDP template. Be sure to set the unit to inches. Upload the KDP template to Canva, add it to your canvas, stretch it to fill the background, reduce opacity to 25%, and lock it in place. Now design your cover. Search for kid-friendly themes like farm animals or kids' activity book. Choose a style that feels playful, colorful, and age-appropriate. Keep in mind this layout includes a front cover, spine, and back cover, so you'll need to manually adjust any template elements accordingly. Paste design components into the appropriate sections. Make sure all text and images are inside the safe zones and that nothing crosses over the barcode area, usually in the bottom right corner of the back. Use a big, bold title in a clean font. Avoid script or cursive styles. Add a subtitle or a label like Ages 4 to 8 if it fits your theme. For extra impact, drop in 1 or 2 sample dot-to-dot images to visually tease the book's content. Keep the back cover simple. A solid color or soft pattern works great. You can include a short description or author note, but avoid overcrowding it. Once you're happy with the layout, unlock and delete the KDP template and download your cover as a PDF print. You now have a professional print-ready cover that meets Amazon's specs and, more importantly, sells. In the next section, we'll upload your files and get your book published on Amazon KDP. Now that you've got both your interior and your cover, it's time to publish your book on Amazon KDP. Start by heading over to kdp.amazon.com and sign in or create a free account. Once logged in, click Create and select Paperback. First, fill out your book's details: title, subtitle, author name, and description. For keywords, think like a parent. What would someone search for? Use terms like farm animal ... kids activity book ages 4 to 8, or ... coloring book. Choose the right categories. Under juvenile nonfiction or activity books works best. If your book is educational, you can also select early learning. When asked if your book contains AI-generated content, be transparent. Select yes and choose the option that best describes your content, like AI-generated images with extensive editing. Next, go to the Content tab. Choose 8.5 by 11 trim, black and white interior with white paper, and select No Bleed. For the cover finish, glossy tends to work best for kids' books. Upload your interior PDF, then upload your print-ready cover file. Click Launch Previewer to view your full book. Flip through every page and check that the cover aligns perfectly with the spine and margins. If any issues appear, KDP will highlight them for you. Once approved, move to Pricing. Choose your primary marketplace, usually Amazon.com, and set a price that balances value and competitiveness. For kids' activity books, $6.99 to $8.99 is a common sweet spot. Finally, click Publish. Your book will go live within 72 hours and you'll officially be selling on Amazon. Next up, I'll show you how to take one simple book and turn it into an entire income-generating series. But first, let's wrap things up with final tips and next steps. You've just created and published your very first dot-to-dot book using free tools. No design experience, no upfront costs, and now it's live on Amazon. That's a massive step toward passive income. But here's the real secret. Don't stop at one. The creator's earning $5,000 plus per month. They're publishing consistently, multiple books with different themes, difficulty levels, and age groups. Think dinosaurs, princesses, vehicles, even seasonal versions like Christmas ... Each book becomes another income stream. And remember, once it's uploaded, it keeps selling. Your job is to build a catalog of books that kids love and parents trust. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I drop new strategies every week to help you grow your self-publishing business fast.